how to share your phone's sound by broadcast audio via Bluetooth on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. Then tap on Bluetooth. Next, tap on the more button, and from the pop-up menu, tap on broadcast sound using Auracast. And then in here, go down to the bottom and tap on start broadcast. Now before you do that, if you want to allow more devices such as hearing aids to connect by reducing audio quality, you can turn on improve compatibility. So now tap on start broadcast. And that's it. After that, once you're finished, you can tap on the stop broadcast button. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.